Today we are uncovering how alkanes look in three dimensions. Even though we draw them flat on paper, carbon atoms actually arrange themselves in 3D space. Carbon is a nonmetal that belongs to group 4 in the periodic table, which means it contains 4 valence or outermost electrons. Therefore, carbon atom must form 4 covalent bonds with other atoms, neither 3 nor 5. In methane, each carbon forms 4 single bonds. These bonds spread out evenly. This creates a tetrahedral shape like a small pyramid around each carbon atom. In methane, the carbon sits in the center with 4 hydrogen atoms pointing outwards. The black ball at the center represents an atom of carbon, while these 4 white balls represent hydrogen atoms. Now in methane, both carbon atoms form single bonds between each other, and there will be 3 hydrogen atoms bonded to each carbon atom also. When we move to propane, butane, and other members of alkane, the carbon chain grows, but the shape stays tetrahedral. That's why alkanes look like zigzag chains when shown as models. These 3D shapes help explain why alkanes can rotate freely around their single bonds. Understanding this makes it easier to visualize their structures in exams.
Welcome to Chain of Qualified Tutors. Unlock your academic potential with expert tutoring, from secondary school to graduation level. Master math, science, English, and more with personalized one-on-one guidance. Call or WhatsApp for a free demo session. We offer on-site and online tuition.